This is the Homo avis, more commonly known as the human bird. The human bird lives in a desert marshland on the outskirts of the suburbs. The swamp provides a pure water source, and the tall grass gives camouflage from predators. The behavior of the human bird is somewhat peculiar. It may look like a human, but it's far from it. The bird uses its environment and opposable thumbs to its advantage, creating the perfect living space. In fact, we have a cameraman on the ground now researching the Homo avis.
We are in the habitat of the Homo avis, more commonly known as the human bird. The human bird lives in a swamp-like environment, filled with lots of tall grass and trees. We're approaching the nest of the human bird. There it is.
The human bird is a scavenger and gets its food from finding a variety of Burger King meals which are sprawled around its habitat.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
What's so funny?